This is Maintenance on TN360, the application that simplifies the way you manage your maintenance across your fleet. The easy-to-use feature enables you to quickly build digital maintenance schedules for your vehicles, equipment, and assets that are based on odometer readings, engine hours, or fixed time intervals. The schedule builder is also really flexible and can be used to create maintenance schedules for almost any type of maintenance. You'll love how the application uses real-time odometer and engine hours data to give you complete visibility into the maintenance needs across your entire fleet. With real-time access into maintenance that is scheduled, due now, or overdue, you can make sure that your fleet is safe and ready to get the job done. The maintenance feature also allows you to complete maintenance by filling out a simple form that captures key data for record keeping. This includes the date maintenance was completed, who completed the maintenance, and the cost. There's also a really handy feature that enables you to upload documents relating to the completed maintenance, including invoices or details of the work carried out. Keep your maintenance on schedule and fleet operational with Maintenance on TN360, from data to decision.